Hello children, welcome to VDS Learning School. Today's topic is our national flag. The national flag is a symbol of unity and integrity of our country. The national flag of India is the pride of the people of India and represents their independence. The national flag has evolved or passed through many stages in obtaining its present form. Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, first introduced the idea of the flag for the Congress Party in 1921. Pingali Venkaiah designed our national flag, and flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947. On 15th of August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi. The national flag of India is known as Tiranga, which means three-color or tricolor. Our national flag is a rectangular tricolor flag consists of three equal horizontal segments with saffron on top, white in middle and green at the bottom. The uppermost is the saffron color, which indicates courage and strength of the country. The white middle band indicates truth and peace with Dharma Chakra. The Dharma Chakra is a navy blue color, which consists of 24 equally divided spokes and is called the Wheel of Duty. The last band is green in color, which indicates the fertility, growth, and auspiciousness. The diameter of the flag should be of 2:3 ratio. The flag is to be made from khadi. Khadi is hand woven cotton or silk following the manufacturing protocols laid out by the Bureau of Indian Standards. The Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission hold the right to manufacture the Indian national flag. Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha is the home to the sole manufacturing and supplying facilities of the Indian flag for the entire country. Today, over 100 specialist spinners and weavers are employed in making the flag. The insult of the national flag of India is a punishable offense according to the law. We all should respect our national flag of our country as it is a gift of our freedom. Jai Hind. Thank you.